Just one look at you. Guess what? I know it's going to be a lovely day. Lovely day. All right, happy Tuesday. Welcome back to school. Today is, let me turn it down. All right, today is January, let's see, 19th, 2021. And oh my goodness, look at these numbers. We have to put these numbers in order. All right, that's our incredible equation. Let's see here. We have a 7. Let's do it this way. 7, 22, 5, and 54. So if you're thinking, remember we talked about this before. If you are counting, what numbers do you get to first? What numbers? Let's see. Well, if I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I get to 5 first. So I'm going to put 5 right there. And I'm going to cross it out so I know that I'm done with that number 5. And if I look at the numbers, okay, I know what comes next. Here's another 1-digit number. So I'm going to guess that 7 comes next. I'm going to cross it out. And here is 22 and 54. Well, I know this only has 2 10s and 2 1s. This has 5 10s and 4 1s. So I know this one is bigger. And when I'm counting, I know that I would get to 22 long before I get to 54. So I'm going to say 22 comes next. Ran out of room down there, but I'm going to put 54 right down here. 54 is last. All right, so I put my numbers in order. First, it looked like this: 7, 22, 5, and 54. But if I put them in order from the smallest number to the greatest number, 5, 7, 22, 54. That was our incredible equation. And let's put that down. All right, let's take a look at our clock. And let's see a time and see if you can beat me to the time. What time is it? I love doing that. All right, look at the clock. I want to see if you can tell me what time is on the clock. I see the hour hand. It's past the 4, but it's not quite to the 5. So I already know what hour I'm going to say, right? And then it's on the 6. So it says, and I know the minute hand counts by 5s. So if I count around 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, it is 4:30. Good job. I hope you guys beat me. Let's do one more. Do, 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 do. Okay. What time is it? Let's see. I see the hour hand pointing right on the 7, and the minute hand is right on the 12. So I know that I'm going to say o'clock because it's up at the 12. What time is it? It's the hours here. The minute hand is straight up at the 12. What did you say? Did you say 7 o'clock? I hope you did. Okay, we didn't write it. I want to write it. Okay, let's write 7 o'clock. All right, push it over here for 7 o'clock. Here it is on the clock. I know you guys can't see it, but it's there. Now let's write it. We always write the hour first. So the hour is 7. Then I put my colon, and remember the colon, it's just one, it's 2 dots, but I was gonna say one of the dots floating in the air. So you have your 2 dots, one is floating in the air. So we have our colon, 2 dots on top of each other, 7. And to show o'clock, we put 0, 0, okay? The colon separates the hour from the minutes. Okay, the hour from the minutes. And I remember the other day, Miss Grakowski did one. Well, that's okay. We'll talk about that later. I was going to do another time, I think I saw her do this one, and for 7:20. So I didn't ask you what time was it, but this is on 7:20, right? Because this minute hand counts by fives. So I wanted to show you what 7:20 looks like. You have a 7, and then we have our colon because it separates the hour from the minute. And here is 7:20. That's what it looks like, okay? Because when you count by fives and you go down to the 4, 5, 10, 15, 20. All right. Now it is time to balance our equation. Woo! Let's look here. All right, we have 9 plus 4. Well, first we got to figure that out. I know that 9 plus 4, I put 9 in my head, and I can show you a shortcut way that I do with 9s, and you might want to learn how to do this. I take 1 from the 4, so I make this 10, and since I took 1 from here, this becomes a 3. So if I go 10 plus 3, I know that equals 13. I hope that didn't confuse anyone. Sorry if I did. But this is what I do whenever I see a 9 in a equation. I always make it a 10. Make it a 10, and then it makes it easier for me to add. I wonder, will that help you? Because I take 1 from here. So look, for my 4, I know that 1 plus 3 equals 4. So I take this 1 and move it over here. So I turn this 9 into a 10. So now I put 10 in my head, and then adding 10 plus 3, easy peasy. I know it's a teen number, 13. So I'm looking for 13. We'll do this again. I'll have more problems with 9. So now I'm looking for 13. Guess what? I know that 7 plus 7 is 14. It's a double. So, I don't think I'm going to add 7, but just to make sure, can you beat me and tell me what I'm going to make it? So if 7 plus 7 is 14, that's clearly too much, right? That is too much. So 7 plus, what do you think? I wonder, is it 6? 7 plus 6. Let's check it. Okay, so I put 7 in my head, and then I count on 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yep, that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is correct. So 9 plus 4 is equal to 6 plus 7. Woo, that was a lot of fun. A lot of math in there, right? All right, let's add a counter. Let's see. Wow, how many days have we been in school? Let's turn this just a tad so you can see me. All right, let's count. Wow, let's count by tens. Are you ready to help? I hope so. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and I see these 3 right here, 93. We have been in school 93 days. So I am going to add a sticker here, counter here. Let's look at this number. What does 93 look like? What does 93 look like? Well, I know it's a 9 and a 3. It looks like that. But I also know that every number has a place, okay? And every number stands for a place. It stands for something. 0 in the hundreds. Okay, 9 tens. What is 9 tens? Well, it's not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No. We count by tens. So we go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And then I count by ones. These are the babies, right? 91, 92, 93. We have been in school 93 days. You are 93 days smarter. Okay, now let's do a countdown real quick. How many more days before we bundle? And then we celebrate the 100th day of school. All right, let's see. Well, I know that there are 3 sticks in the ones pocket. How many more until we bundle? And we bundle when we're at 10. So now this is just a regular problem. 3 plus what equals 10? How many more days? Let's see. 3. And now I'm going to count up. Sorry, I was looking at something back there. Sorry, squirrel. Okay, 3 plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I just counted on, right? You can count on your fingers because it's a little number. I could have counted up on my fingers, but I like to do my little dots here. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many more days before we bundle? Let's see. That's 5, 6, 7. If you guessed 7, you did it. Good job. We have 7 more days to bundle. 7 more days until we celebrate the 100th day of school. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And guess what? Something I didn't say. It's Taco Tuesday. All right. Have fun. Have a great day, first graders. See you later.